Fantastic. Great donut.
High 7 or low 7?
High 7. Air Force One refers to whichever plane the president is boinking on.
Oh, this one's about Clinton, I see. Sort of a sexy emergency. Please report to the climaxing room.
Oh, governor.
If all our life is but a dream, fantastic pose and greed, then we should feed our jewelry to the sea.
Looks like they're still falling.
For diamonds do appear to be just like broken glass to me. And then she said she can't believe genius only comes along in storms of fabled foreign tongues, tripping eyes and flooded lungs. Northern downpour sends its love. Hey moon, please forget to fall down. Hey moon, don't you go down. Sugar cane in the...
Matt! 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 Ah. How can you chase waterfalls? They stay in the same spot.
Just completely going against the flow of traffic.
Yeah. Why would they do this to my diet?
Sugar cane in the easy morning, weather vane's my one and only. Sugar cane in the easy morning, weather vane's my one and only. Sugar cane in the easy morning, weather vane's.
All right, go.
Fireman. Fireman.
It's lit, fam.
I'm super cool.